Performing dip support knee raises is one of the best ways to develop strong core muscles like your hip flexors, abs and obliques. Slow execution speed with a brief hold at the top and bottom of each repetition makes this exercise easier to control, hence it's brilliant for beginners. Performing repetitions fast without a hold at the end ranges of motion is a more advanced variation, but something I don't recommend is doing this exercise really fast with poor control over your whole body. Leaning forward as you raise your knees limits your range of motion and makes dip support knee raises easier to perform. So, instead of allowing your chest to go over your thighs, lean as far back as you can while doing your best to keep your elbows locked out and raise your knees the highest that you can. To perform this exercise with proper technique, you have to push your whole body as far away from the bars. Keep your feet and knees together and lean as far back while keeping your elbows extended. When you lean back, push your pelvis forward as that allows you to raise your legs even higher, and start each repetition by raising your feet first and then your knees to enjoy a greater core challenge. A brilliant regression of this exercise is dip support single knee raises, bringing one knee up at a time and keeping the other one fully extended. Alternate your legs during each repetition, raise your knees the highest that you can, perform this exercise slowly and hold at the top and bottom of all repetitions. I'm full of ideas for exercise related YouTube videos, hence I upload content weekly. However, I'm keen to know what interests you, so let me know in the comments what videos you'd like to see me do and enjoy your workouts.